Hello guys, today we're going to be doing more on like what we did in the last video with windows and widgets. So basically we're going to go ahead and, we're going to put in from TK, enter, import, and then the little thing right here, like last time. And then we're going to write this again from TK, enter, import. And instead of having this little thing up here, we're going to have TTK. The TTK lets us go get widgets we would not normally get. So yeah, we're gonna need that. And yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna write windows equals TK parentheses, just like last time. The parentheses act as a deconstructor like last video. So yeah. And then we're going to write window dot main loop parentheses. This should make it that's just gonna be that for us. And then next, so make sure you write all this stuff that I'm about to do, all of this. So this right here, this is bread, and this is bread to our sandwich, and this is all the meat in the inside. So now we're gonna write notebook equals TTK dot notebook parentheses window. Yeah, this is a widget that manages collections and displays basically, so nothing too crazy. So now we're gonna write tab 1. You can have as many tabs as you would like, but just doing 2. Tab 1 equals frame, and then parentheses notebook, because we know notebook, because as we put it right here, we know notebook puts it TTK notebook into the window. So that's what this is gonna do for us. And then same thing, just change the 1 to 2. So yeah, and then it needs to be tab 2 equals frame, parentheses notebook. They don't have to be called tab 1 and 2, they can be called whatever you desire. And then next we're gonna write notebook dot add parentheses tab comma text equals tab 1. Okay. So same thing, we're just gonna do the same thing, but instead of having tab 1, we're gonna change this to tab 2 right here. So you can just copy and paste it and just change it change the 1s to 2s. So now we're gonna do notebook dot pack parentheses. Okay. Now we're gonna make the size bigger like we did last video. Window dot geometry, and then parentheses, little air quotes, 400x 400. That changes the size of text, or that changes the size of the box. And then write window dot config parentheses background equals, so like the background is going to be, and then air quotes around whatever color. I did red just because that's what I liked. These two should just be reviews from last video right here. Not too hard. It's pretty beginner friendly still. It's going to be label, because like we're labeling it with some text. So, and then parentheses tab 1 comma text equals air quotes Python. And then you can make this right here, whatever you want. It's also around the air quotes still. I did Python's the best coding language. And then I'm going to end that right there and then write a comma. And because I actually want to make the words readable, so they're not just itty bitty tiny words you can't see. Change the width to 50 and the height, let's say 25. And then very important, do not forget dot pack and then closing parentheses. Can't forget those, it won't work. So, like here. If we don't have this back here, it's not going to work at all. Not going to do anything. So you have to, oh, forgot my parentheses, sorry guys. You have to have those. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing that we did up here, down here. So label, and then we're going to put parentheses, tab 2, because we're going to do the second tab, comma, text equals, and then, or air quotes, you can make yours whatever. Once again, I did mine. Did you like and subscribe to the channel? Okay, again, we're going to change the words to readable with 50 and height 25, dot pack with parentheses. And yeah, once you tap it, after you have all this to your desire, I mean, honestly, you could change all this type of stuff in here. So if you change this to a different name, then you have to change this to a different name too, right here. But this is, you can do whatever you want with it. 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 And then just tap the play button. And then you're gonna see right here. And if you come up here, see how my background's red right here? If you come up here to tabs, I'm on tab 2 right here. And it says, did you like and sub to the channel? And yeah, that's just some basics, windows and widgets for it. If you enjoyed this part, please let me know. Please like, subscribe. And if this is a little too easy for you, go over, check out our great program, Java. I've been going along with it, trying it. It's very fun. It's a little bit more intermediate though, so yeah. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.